So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine a string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. So we'll shake through the joints, starting with that left wrist. And up to the elbow. And into the shoulder. Onto the right wrist. And the elbow. And the shoulder. And both arms. And shaking into that left ankle. And the knee. And up to the hip. Now to the right ankle. And the knee. And the hip. And bring the feet back to hip width. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, bend the knees, sweep the arms back. And again, so exhale down, inhale up. A little faster. Exhale down, inhale up. We'll do about 10 of these. Just warm the whole body up. And coming back to standing. So we'll bring the feet together, palms together at the chest, and then bring the arms up. So inhale, lengthen through the arms, exhale gently to the left, and back to center. Inhale, lengthen up, exhale to the right. Inhale back, again. Inhale, and exhale over, so pushing the hips the opposite direction, come back to center. Inhale, exhale over. Back to center. One more each side. Inhale and exhale. Remember, nothing should hurt, so only go as far as feels comfortable for you. Back to center. Inhale and exhale over. And back to center. Bring the arms down. So we're going to work on eagle pose. So bring the left arm across, right on top. Forearms up towards the sky. Now if you can, we'll bring the palms together, or whatever you get to. If you want a deeper stretch across the back of the shoulders, you can always lift the elbows. And bring the arms down, we'll do the other side. So right arm across, left on top. Forearms up, palms together if we can. So just hold in there, just breathing into it. And if you want to, we can lift the elbows. And bring the arms down. So standing on that right leg, slight bend in the right knee. I'm going to bring the left leg high and across and try and tuck the left toes behind the right calf. Now you might want to just stay there, or we can add the arms. So with left arm first, right on top, forearms up, arms together. Again, either stay in here or we'll go on to the next stage. Just bring the elbows down to the knees. And we're coming on up. And bring the legs back down. So we're standing on that left, bring the right one high and across, tucking the toes around the calf. If you can, take the right arm across, left on top, palms together. So just try out on each side, so one side might be easier than the other. You always give it a go, and if you're not quite there yet, just keep practicing. And then we try and control out of the pose. We're going to do the eagle pose, one more each side. So I'm taking that left leg across, left arm, then the right, the basic eagle pose. Now, we're going to add another balance if you want to. We're going to try and control and come out into star pose. Belly button squeezed in, lifting that leg. You can stay here, or we're going to try and come back into eagle pose. So just taking your time and seeing where you get to. And then come on out. Same on the other side. You bring that right leg across, and then the right arm first, and the left one on top. So just step by step, wherever you're at. So either stay in here, or you come out into star pose. So lengthen the arms, lengthen the leg. If you want to try, bring it back and come back into eagle pose. Now release the arms, release the legs. So we're going to do the high lunge. That left foot forward, right foot back. So remember the right heel's up, left knee is bent. Weight through the middle, so shoulders above the hips. Either stay in there, or we're going to add a high twist. So bring the arms shoulder level, we inhale and exhale towards that bent leg. Inhale back to center. And exhale. Inhale back. And exhale. Inhale center. Two more. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale back. Bring the hands back to the chest. Bring that back leg forward. And we'll do the other side. Right leg forward, left leg back. Try and straighten the left leg. And good bend in that front knee. Arm shoulder level. We'll inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale back. Exhale, twist. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. The last one. Inhale back. Exhale, twist. Inhale. And bring that back leg forward. And we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down. Crown to the sky. One hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. And just let the belly expand on the in-breath. And then we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.